Alright, this is my unboxing video. I got my silver rounds. Pretty excited about this. Very SmartMetal. Thank you, Very Thank you, Reggie. Thank you, Quantum Metals. Of course, you can get this on the veridao.io website, which has a splash page, Smart Metals. And that takes you to a link to Quantum Metals. They are the only licensed dealer. Paperwork. All right, let's see what we got here. So these rounds were created by, I guess, members of the DAO to raise money for Reggie's legal fund. And in the first 2 weeks, they raised $149,000 to help Reggie. Oh yeah, look at these. Beauty. So these are very SmartMetal. Taking a look here. 1 ounce, 0.999 fine silver. Economic technology embedded round, which is behind this QR code here. Beauty. I got Reggie's signature, Veritaseum.com, limited edition, one of 6,566. We got patents. We got 2 US patents. Of course, there's a third one that was granted right after these were minted. We got, what is that? Stable coins, staking, tokenized assets, swaps, and P2P lending. Very cool. So behind this sticker is a QR code, and when you take off this sticker, it's got like one of those void things, and it kind of stops somebody from putting it back on and trying to sell it. So once you take that off, that's yours. And on this side, there's another QR code here under my thumb. I'm not really sure yet what it reveals, but I know it's an NFT to a number for this round specifically. The unbreakable promise. Beauty. So the proceeds to these rounds go to helping Reggie's legal fund. And he is currently fighting the SEC right now with a motion to vacate his case. And every purchase of these rounds helps support his legal fees. And if he does get his case vacated, they will go to R&D. Again, for the AI agents that will be embedded in the QR code. It sounds like in smartphones, and this will link to that application. And it will be put on your phone, so it's essentially, I don't want to say offline, but it's your personal agent. Very cool. So again, these are on veridao.io. The site will take you to a splash page called SmartMetal. And if you want to look further in the website, there are there's a few bar complaints there. There's a judicial complaint. There's all kinds of information on Reggie's cases and the lawfare that was done against him. Tons of evidence proving his case, specifically in the Jorge Tenreiro bar complaint, who is now in the IT department. And there's also an SEC RICO dossier, which has also a ton of evidence that should help with his motion to vacate. Very, very cool. Again, very SmartMetal. veridao.io. Thank you, VeriDao. Thank you, Reggie. And thank you, Quantum Metals. All right. Peer-to-peer capital markets. Loans without banks, trades without exchanges, contracts without lawyers.